you guys, and welcome back to another episode of Strife Faction. In this episode, I'm going to be going through the install of my 4-pot, 2-pot setup, and I got a bunch of nice little goodies to go along with that in the box right here. So please, if you guys enjoy this content, please like, subscribe, and comment. Anything you want to say, any tips you got for me along the way, it'd all be greatly appreciated. So yeah, stick around and let's get into this. Okay, so here's what we're going to be installing today. We got 4-pot, 2-pot setup from, they came on 06 WRXs, I believe, the TR edition in America, but these are a JDM setup as far as I know. I got them from a homie for helping him build his car, basically. And yeah, so I got them, cleaned them up, gave them a nice little paint job, swapped out the seals on them. Yeah, they came out pretty good, I think. I also got some rotors for the build, some brake fluid, and then into the box of goodies we go. Got some Teflon coated stainless lines from Project Moon. Nice. Pads, HC Plus, front and rear. And then these are some locking lug nuts and just some regular racing floating nuts. The swaggest of the swag. Anyway, there's some other secret things in there, but this will be my little secret box for goodies from now on. And away it goes. So, we're going to be replacing these ugly things with these. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so it's on. Pads are in, if you can see that. Lines on. And yeah, it looks pretty damn sick. And this is basically times 2 for the other side. I'm gonna go to the other side. And then we're gonna start on the rears. So we're gonna pick back up on the rear. it is. My little zip tie bracket. Kind of ghetto, but it'll work. But everything's good to go. Just got to open up this bleeder valve and let it do its work. Oh yeah.